So today I review the final Twisted Moustache Beard Oil. It's the Chevron fella, and for me it's the best out of the three. Over the last, I don't know, 6-7 years of beard growing and trying out products, it's easily one of the best out there. I want to talk about the scent, because the scent is the winner here. So it's got cedarwood undertones. Like for me, I like cedarwood. I'm not the biggest fan of woody sort of scents, but I can work with cedarwood. Then it's got sweet orange oil, and any sweet orange, blood orange, mandarin sort of scents are some of my favourite out there. They're top notes, so they don't last for too long. But you can use other oils to get the most out of them, to make them last longer. And I think what Annabelle and Anil have done is use the cardamom oil, which is the final scent out of the three that they use in this blend, to really bring out the sweet orange oil, and it just brings the whole blend together. At night time I tend to use beard oils that I really like because it's a nice thing to go to sleep with. Like, it's got nice scents and it's really calming and relaxing, and that's something I found to be really unique with that beard oil. I've got a lot of beard oils that kind of wake you up. I've got really strong scents. This one, the scent is good. It's not too strong, it's not too weak, but it lasts and it's very warm and relaxing, and I couldn't recommend it enough really. So once again, the beard oil absorbs really nicely, really thick on the hands, but gets absorbed and doesn't leave much on there. The price is $15.99 for 30ml, so 16 quid, let's call it, for 3 months worth of beard oil for the average guy. Really quite good value there actually. So I just want to move on to the actual scores now. Like I say, anything that scores 35 and above with sevens across the board definitely scores well, and it is a product that I would be happy to recommend to you. And the way I do this, I review it in 5 different categories. So we review the packaging, the scent, the consistency, the price, and the finish that it leaves in the beard. So once again, the packaging gets a solid 10. The scent's gonna get a 9. I could almost give it a 10. I think it's just missing something to give it a 10, but a 9 is incredible. Like, I've not given any beard oil, I don't think I've given anything a 10 yet, and I've recorded a fair few of these now, so it's doing well. The consistency for the beard oil gets a 9, then the price and the finish gets an 8. So this beard oil actually scores 44 out of 50, making it one of the highest rated products that I've reviewed to date. And I would really recommend you trying this one out. If you do want to do that, just use my discount code. It's Beardster15. I don't get paid or anything like that. It's just to help you guys out who are watching this. Like, it's kind of the whole point of doing it. I'm just trying to steer you in some sort of direction so you don't waste your money on average products. You can try out the best products and get a bit of discount just to help you out, because, you know, you've worked hard for that money. You don't want to waste it or spend all of it when you can get a little bit extra off. So check that out if you can, and hopefully you got some value out of this. If you did, smash the like button, and we'll see you very soon, guys. Okay, goodbye.